If you're on the hunt for the longest and most valuable Shopify free trial in 2025, you've landed in the right spot. Shopify is currently running an exclusive extended trial, but here's the catch. You won't find it on their homepage. Before we continue, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. It'll help me keep making great content like the video you're watching right now. Let's get back to it. To unlock this special deal, you need to go through a unique link, just like the one I've dropped in the description below. If you go directly to shopify.com, you'll only see their shorter standard trial. But if you use that special link, you'll score an extended free trial. Over 3 months of full access to Shopify, totally free. That means you can build, design, and launch your entire store without spending a dime upfront. Let me walk you through how to claim the trial step by step. Step 1, click the link in my description. Once you land on the Shopify sign up page, enter your email and hit start free trial. I suggest using a brand new email to help ensure you qualify for the extended offer. Next, create a password and set up your Shopify account. Shopify will ask you a few onboarding questions, nothing too serious, just fill them in based on your current plans. And don't worry, you can always go back and change your answers later if your strategy shifts. When it asks about your sales channels, make sure to select online store. On the next screen, if you're brand new, simply choose I'm not selling yet. Shopify will then ask what kind of products you're selling, whether you're into dropshipping, print on demand, handmade items, or digital goods. Shopify is equipped to handle it all. And if you're still figuring out what to sell, no stress. You can use Shopify-compatible tools like AutoDS or App Scenic to discover trending products in minutes. Now click Get Started. At this point, it's time to choose your Shopify plan. The basic plan is perfect if you're just starting out. It has everything you need to grow your store. You'll be asked to enter your payment info to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. And just like that, your extended Shopify free trial is live. Now you can begin customizing your store, adding your products, setting up your payment system, and even connecting your shop to Facebook, TikTok, or Google Ads. One final step before you're ready to launch. Head over to Online Store, Themes, and remove the password from your storefront. Once that's done, your store is officially open for business and ready to make sales. This is hands down the best Shopify free trial you'll find in 2025. But be aware, Shopify doesn't keep this 90-day or 120-day free trial available forever. It's a limited time offer and could be gone at any moment. If you've been curious about testing out Shopify or starting your own store without taking on any risk, now's your opportunity. Just click the link in the description to lock in your 3 or 4 month free trial, depending on what's currently available. You can launch, test, and tweak your business all without spending a single cent. So if you've been thinking about getting into e-commerce, this is your sign. Don't let this deal pass you by. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one.